Hello viewers, welcome to this video lecture series on C programming. So we'll continue with the decision making and branching statements. The next statement in the list is if else statement. So earlier in my previous session I have explained about the simple if statement. So why do we require now if else statement, or when do we require this if else statement? Let us see. Suppose if we are using only the simple if statement, I'll just write down one example. I'm just checking one condition. If code equal to 1, okay, if code equal to 1, I am writing one statement, boy equal to boy plus 1. If code equal to 2, girl equal to girl plus 1. This statements actually count the number of boys and girls. In order to carry out this counting, we are writing these statements. If code equal to 1, boy equal to boy plus 1, and if code equal to 2, girl equal to girl plus 1. That means, okay, we are assigning the code 1 to boys and the code 2 to girls. So this way we are checking, and we are trying to increase the number of count of boys and number of count of girls. Do you think that 2 times the condition has to be checked? We can perform the same task by just writing one condition only. How? We can say if code is equal to 1, boy equal to boy plus 1. Else girl equal to girl plus 1. We are not checking the other condition. It is not required also. Unnecessarily we were using this condition again, because obviously if it is not a boy, then the student is girl. So the student can either be a boy or girl, not both. That's the reason we'll not check the condition twice. We will just write here if code equal to 1, boy equal to boy plus 1, else girl equal to girl plus 1. Or you can write in one more way, if code equal to 2, girl equal to girl plus 1, else boy equal to boy plus 1. In either of this we are checking, we are writing the condition only once. So this is what is our if else statement. We are checking, okay, one time the condition. If the condition is true, this statement will be executed. Else means if the condition is false, this statement will be executed, whatever is written inside the else block. So we have to always if condition or if test expression, okay, we are writing here in the block the statements if it is true. Else we are writing what? The statements which are false. So this is how is the syntax. The same thing I am writing here in the syntax. If test expression, if that expression is true, statement block 1. That means whatever is written in this block, those statements will get executed if the condition that is specified here in the test expression is true. Else means if the condition in the test expression that is specified is false, then the statement block 2 will be executed, followed by what? Statement X. So let me explain the same thing with the flowchart here. Checking the condition, if test condition, if it is true, okay, block 1 statements are executed, and then statement X is getting executed. If the condition is false, then the statement block 2 is executed, and then statement X is executed. So let me just give one example here in a program form. Okay, we are writing here a program to find out whether a given number is even or odd. For that we are asking the user to enter the number, and the user is able to enter the number using the scanf. So in the output, first it will ask enter any number. Okay, it will prompt the user to enter the number. We have written the scanf statement, so the user will enter the number, and we are using the variable num here as the variable name to give the number. So the user will enter some number. Suppose if the user is entering, let us assume 7. If the number is entered as 7, then we are checking here if, and we are specifying the condition. What is that? If num value is now 7, 7 mod 2 equal to 0. So mod operator always give the remainder of the division. So when this 7 gets divided by 2, how much you are getting? You are getting a remainder 1. But here we have specified in the condition if the remainder is 0. So this condition is false. If the condition is false, the else part will be executed. That means the statement that is written in the else block will be executed, and it will write it is an odd number. Whenever you are getting a remainder out of this division, it is an odd number. Now let us see if the user enters the number as 6. Okay, Then when it gets divided, the remainder is 0 here. So we are checking if num mod of 2, if num mod 2 equal to 0, that means print the given number is an even number. So this way, actually one thing is, in the same program I have explained you the logic also for the odd and even number, as well I am trying to explain you the syntax or the use of the if else statement. So if there is one single statement here inside the block, there is no need to put the flower braces. But just for your clarity, you can always include the flower brace also, even for one single statement. This is how the if else statement works in C programming. Hope you find this session useful. If you find it useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.